Hello, welcome to Numi's Crochet Nook. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a beautiful heart. For this I am using 4-ply acrylic yarn. I am using here red and white color and I am using 3.5 mm hook and you will be needing a scissor. So let's get started. So we are going to do a slip knot first and we are going to chain 3. One, 2 and 3, and in our first chain, beginning chain, we are going to do three triple crochet. Triple crochet means you have to yarn over twice, go into the first chain, pull back the yarn. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over through the next 2 loops and yarn over and go to the remaining 2 loops. That was your first triple crochet. Now you are going to do 2 more triple crochet. Yarn over twice, go into the hole, 4 loops, yarn over, go through the 2 loops, then yarn over, go through the 2 loops, go through the 2 loops, then your last triple crochet, go into the hole, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, go to the next 2 loops, yarn over. That was your 3 triple crochet. Into the same hole we are going to do 4 DC. For 4 DC we are going to yarn over only once. This is your first DC, double crochet or DC we call it. 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. Then we are going to do 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice and go into the same hole, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over through the next 2 loops and yarn over through the last loops. Again we are going to repeat the same this side. So after 1 triple crochet we are going to do 4 DC again. 1, 2 DC, 3 and 4. So 4 double crochet we have done. And after 4 double crochet we have done here 3 triple crochet. So yarn over twice, go into the hole, you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over through every. Now we are going to do 1 more triple crochet. Two triple crochet is done, 1 more triple crochet, total 3 triple crochet. We have started with a 3 chain in the beginning, so we are going to end this first round by chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to do a slip stitch into the hole. Slip stitch means go into the hole without yarn overing, pull back the yarn and take it through that single loop. So a small heart is formed. Can you see a small heart? So in our next round, second round, we are going to do, can you see the 3 chain formed here? This was a 3 chain. Now we are going to do in the hole created by the 3 chain, into the hole we are going to do 2 single crochet. 2 single crochet means we are going into this hole without yarn overing. Into the hole, pull back the yarn, yarn over once and go through the 2 holes. That was your first single crochet. One more single crochet. After doing 2 single crochet in the 3 chain, in the hole created by the 3 chain, we are going to do 3 DC, yarn over, go into the same hole and do 3 DC double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Can you see the chains here? We are going to do inside the chain. So yarn over and do 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, and into the next triple crochet do 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. So after doing the 2 single crochet, we have done 9 double crochets here. Now we have 4 double crochets here. So what we are going to do is, on top of the first double crochet we are going to do 1 double crochet. On the other double crochet we are going to do another double crochet. Next one more double crochet, and into the last double crochet we are going to do 2 double crochet. 1 and 2 double crochet in the last DC. Now into the next triple crochet we are going to do 1 double crochet. Into the same stitch we are going to do 1 triple crochet, yarn overing twice, go inside the same stitch, yarn over, take through the 2 loops, through the next 2 loops and the last loop, and 1 DC, 1 triple crochet and 1 more DC in the same stitch. Again we are going to repeat what we have done here in this side of the heart also. So now we have got 4 DC, so we are going to do 2 DC in the first DC, 1 and 2. Remaining 3 DC we are going to do 1 DC in each remaining 3 DCs. 1, 2 and 3. Now you have got 3 triple crochets here. So we are going to do 3 double crochets, a total of 9 double crochet. 3 double crochet on top of each DC. 1, 2 and 3. Again into the next triple crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Now can you see the hole created by the 3 chain here? Here we are going to do 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. We are going to do one more round of heart. After this 2 single crochet, now we have to do 2 more single crochet onto our first single crochet we have done in our second row. We have started our second row with 2 single crochet, so here it is. So into that single crochet do 2 more, 1 single crochet each, on top of that 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So we are going to start our third round also with that 2 single crochet. Now you got 9 double crochets here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we are going to start on the first double crochet out of 9 double crochet. We are going to do single crochet on top of the first DC, upon the 8 DCs remaining we are going to do 2 double crochets each. So on to our next second DC we are going to do 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet. So after we have started the row with 2 single crochet, then into our first DC we have done 1 single crochet. On top of our second DC we have done 2. Into the next DC we are going to do 2. Into our next DC we are going to do 2 double crochet. Into our next DC we are going to do 2 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4. Into our next double crochet we are going to do 2 more double crochet. Into the next double crochet repeat the same double crochet. One and 2. So we have done a total of 16 double crochets. We have started with 2 single crochet here, then we have done 1 more single crochet in top of the first DC out of the 9 DCs, and in the remaining 8 DCs we have done 2 DCs, a total of 16 DCs. Now we are going to do 6 double crochet, that is 1 double crochet each on top of the following stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochet. Now we are going to chain 1 and on top of a triple crochet we are going to do 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, go into the chain, pull back the yarn and go through all the loops and chain 1 more. Again we are going to repeat the same. We are going to, here we, after the 16 DC we have done 1 chain, 1 triple crochet and 1 more chain. After that we are going to repeat the same this side. So we are going to do 6 double crochet on top of the following stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochet we have done here. On top of the 9 stitches we are going to start with 2 DC on the first 8 stitches. 1, 2, a total of 16 stitches, double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we have 2 more DCs remaining, 13, 14, and on top of our last DC we are going to do 15 and 16 DC, and out of the 9 DCs we have done 2 DCs on top of the 8 DCs. On top of the last DC, that is the 9 DC, we are going to do 1 single crochet as we have done earlier in the first part of the heart. We have 2 more single crochet stitch remaining here. After that, so 1 last single crochet, we are going to do 1 more single crochet. So after 16 double crochet we have done 3 single crochet. Now slip stitch into your next stitch, of the remaining working yarn. You can finish the heart here. You can stop your work here, or if you want to continue, I am going to decorate the ends. If you want, you can stop your heart here by weaving. You can weave your ends and finish it off here. Now I am going to remove the hook, and to decorate the ends I am using 4 mm hook. So here what I am going to do is I am going to take the tail end of red and white yarns. So I am going to pick these 2 color here. So my slip stitch is done here. Now as I am going to do the ends, I am going to chain 1 and I am going to work a single crochet on top of all the stitches here. So go into the stitch, so go into the stitch, now let's meet after completing the full work. We'll do a single crochet all over the stitches. Now I have finished my border work. I have done single crochet on top of each stitch. Here when you reach here near the 1 chain, 1 triple and 1 chain, go do a single crochet near that one chain inside the hole. Then on the triple crochet also you have to do, and on the next chain also you have to do. Don't miss any chain. So this is your heart and your bordering. This is a heart, lovely heart crochet. Now cut your yarn, weave in your ends. Link for weaving ends in the description box. Meanwhile, we'll weave in and come back. So friends, this is a heart crochet. You can also do without decorating the ends. I have done this just to show you. You can use this as your coaster. You can make, if you want, you can make bigger size heart. I hope you like the tutorial for this. I'll be coming with a new tutorial of crochet next week. If you want any particular tutorials of crochet, you can put in the comment box. Send your feedbacks in the comment box. I'd love to know if you have tried this easy heart coaster. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. So keep on practicing. Until then, bye bye.